How to get Happymod on Android. Now, this process or method is very easy. It's just a few clicks or few taps away, and you're done. So the very main thing that you want to do is to open up your preferred web browser, and then from here, just simply type in Happymod APK. Now, before we download it, Happymod APK is actually an unofficial community-driven app store for Android that provides modified version of apps and games, often with unlocked premium features, limited resources, or even remove ads. Now, once you search for Happymod APK, you usually get a lot of results right here, but the most convenient way on downloading it is via Softonic. So just choose on free APK download on Android, and then you will be redirected to download the Happymod APK version. Choose on free APK download, and then there is going to be a small box that will pop out. This usually happens if you download third-party applications directly from your browser. Just simply choose on download anyway, and it will automatically be downloaded. Now, once downloaded is done, open up the file and choose on install, and then there you go. Just simply open it, and you can use the Happymod APK version for your Android. And that is how you get Happymod on Android.